Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to factory reset Android 14 using phone settings. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap on the settings app. Scroll down. Tap on the system. Again scroll. Here you can see system update Android 40 version. Go back. Tap on the reset option at the end. Now tap on the erase all data factory reset. Here you can see list of data delete when you factory reset your phone. Also, tick mark erase eSIMs if you want. Now tap on erase all data. Confirm your pattern or screen lock. When you tap on erase all data, it will delete all your phone data. So make sure backup your important data before performing factory reset on your Android devices. When you tap on erase all data, your phone delete all data and reset to factory default settings. That's it. If you like it, save it.